Welcome to our third video in the Yeastar and PBX series. Today, we will see how to configure our phone with an extension that was already created in Antrunk. So, first we need to know what the MAC address of your IP phone is, or the IP address. Now while searching, we have a phone that we can configure which has the IP address 142.168.83. Now, as you can see, it was already configured with an extension which is test. Here, we will reconfigure it with another extension using edit. Here, as you can see, we have the iPhone KLR920R, which is the Fanville, its model which is X303, the MAC address, and also the template. Afterwards, we can change the extensions we want to configure with, but if we have the test extension, we will change it with another extension we have already created for testing, for example, the user disk. By clicking on Save, our phone will be configured. We just need to wait for the phone to restart, and once it restarts, it will take the new configuration. We will go back to extensions to see if our extension has taken the IP phone. As you know, Yeastar offers various gateway models such as GSM, FXO, and Peri. The configuration is very simple. Click on Add, select the model you are using, enter the MAC address, and that's it. The system will automatically fill in the necessary and relevant parameters using the corresponding template model. If your gateway does not have a predefined model, I will show you how to add a new model for this gateway. Next, let's move on to adding templates. Here you will find all the available templates, including phone and gateway brands. You can select and add the appropriate templates according to your needs. As you can see, we have Cisco, Fanville, Yaya-Link, and Ketra. To use a template, if you do not find the desired model by clicking on Check for New Template, you can add a custom template. Click on Add Custom Template. Give your template a name, specify the source of this template, and indicate whether it is basic or advanced. Then click on Save to save your template. That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye. The largest stock of VoIP with dozens of brands. With us, you will find what fits your budget and your needs. And most importantly, everything comes with a warranty on the equipment and installation.